we're gonna do somewhat of a little Caprese Salad Toss.
Yes.
With our tomatoes, some mozzarella, and we use the little pearl mozzarellas in this one.
See, they're nice little small, bite size. Delicious for a perfect snack.
Stealing the mozzarella. And then, of
it's a
course,
snack video.
adding in some chopped basil. You could chop it. We chiffonaded it, which is making it into like a ribbon cut.
Ribbons, yes. And
then
can teach a little more on that if you'd like.
If we wanted a knife skills day, evening.
Yeah.
It's evening here. If you're not here, I don't know if it's daytime or morning, or it could be another day. But this one is ready to go.
And again, you can top this.
Also, I was gonna say, and the upside is you can do this with oil, salt, pepper, or you could just do oil, balsamic vinegar, or you could do the vinaigrette. But the upside is because it's just in here, you can use this to toss it together, and then it is all mixed up.